Welcome back to Jayasri Kadai Katha. Today we are making this episode from Kolkata Madhyam Gram, and we got a wonderful recipe of red green. It is not green, this is basically red leafy vegetable and dal, begun bhaja, potal bhaja. Before starting this recipe, please like and comment Jai Hind Jai Bharat. And I have taken the Laal Saag and will be cutting it very finely. I have washed it and cleaned it, and after washing, put in a colander and draining it for 10 minutes. Then I will be clubbing everything in the hand and cutting into two and holding it properly and cutting it very finely or shredding it very finely. The cutting is done. Now I'll take it in a container. I have taken a kadai, heated some oil, and when the oil is hot, I'll put the moong dal, or this is not moong dal, this is basically urad dal wadi, which has been dried in the sun, and then I'm frying it in a oil. And when it's become golden and colored evenly all around, then I'll take it out in a another small container. Now in the same oil, I'll put kalonji or onion seed and put little onion so and green chili so that the rawness of the onion goes off. As soon as the rawness of the onion goes, I'll put the red leaves which have been cut into very fine shredding. Now I'll saute it for some time and put the lid on for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I've removed and again stir it for some more time and put the lid again for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'll put turmeric and salt. The quantity has been shown in the screen, and then stir it. You can see how beautiful the color of the red leaf has come, and I've put the crust dumpling which has been sun dried and fried in oil, and we'll be sauteing it. And this is done, we'll remove in a small container. In the same kadai, I put fresh oil and will be frying the eggplant, which has been marinated with salt and turmeric, both the side equally well. When it become golden in color, this color, I'll remove in a container. So I am showing it in a very fast way. If you want to see this recipe, it has been given in the channel. I'll be frying the pottle or the parval, which has been marinated with salt and turmeric till this color. When this reaches this color, I'll remove it. This goes very well with dal. After this is done, we'll make the Masoor ki dal, which has been sorted with onion and tomato. And I have boiled the Masoor lentil and finished. So I'll be showing the presentation and eating the red leaves with rice, Masoor lentil, fried eggplant, fried parwal, and we'll be serving it with green chili and droplet of ghee. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and we'll catch you up again in another episode with a wonderful recipes. Bidding you bye for now. Tata.